Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing pork crackling. First, choose a good cut of pork with the skin on, like belly or shoulder. Score the skin deeply, about 1 centimeter apart, but be careful not to cut into the meat itself. This helps the fat render. Next, and this is crucial, pat the skin completely dry with paper towels. Finally, rub a generous amount of coarse salt and a little oil all over the scored skin. Now, let's get that crackling started. Preheat your oven to a very hot 240 degrees Celsius. Place your pork, skin side up, on a wire rack set over a roasting tray. This allows air to circulate. Roast it for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see the skin start to puff up and bubble. This high heat is key for rendering the fat and beginning the crackling process. After the initial blast, reduce your oven temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 hours. The exact time depends on the thickness of your pork cut. During this phase, the crackling will become beautifully golden brown and incredibly crispy. Also, make sure the internal temperature of the meat reaches 71 degrees Celsius for perfect doneness and tenderness. Once cooked, remove the pork from the oven. It's important to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the meat juices to redistribute, keeping your pork tender and moist. Then, you can either break the crackling into satisfying pieces by hand or carefully slice it with a very sharp knife. Serve your perfect, crispy crackling immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.